doing good. In this video, we will be looking at one of the best customer order tracking apps for Shopify, as I'll be showing you Track123 Shopify review. The first thing you will need to do is install the Track123 app on your Shopify store. To do this, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Apps. Then you're going to select App and Sales Channel Settings. From here, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Track123. Once on this page, you're going to tap on Track123 Order Tracking. Then you're going to tap on Install. Keep in mind that they offer a free plan, so we're going to tap on Install once more. After you have tapped on Install once more, you'll be redirected to this page. And as I was saying earlier, if we were to go back to the app page and scroll down, you can see that they offer a free plan that will allow us to track 100 orders per month, and you'll be able to add multiple tracking page templates, so you'll get access to numerous templates that you can use. They also offer real-time tracking, basic analytics, and dropshipping mode. And if in the future you like to go onto their paid plan, it starts off at $9 per month. Now, to continue with the addition of the app, we'll simply go back onto the app dashboard. Then once on the app dashboard, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on tracking page, or we could tap on customize right here. After you have tapped on customize, from here you can tap on customize once more. Then you can see the different themes. So you can see there are two different themes that you can choose from. You can also choose whether you like it to be light mode or dark mode. At the moment it is in light mode, so you could tap on edit right there and you could change it to dark mode. Then you could tap on save in the top right hand corner to change it to dark mode. You could also change the process bar color if you wanted to. And you can scroll down and you can see the different layouts right here. So you can see how it looks. So you can see right there, desktop background image, mobile image, and you can scroll down and you can see the different features that you can also edit. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, from here you'll be able to track your orders. You'll also be able to tap on notifications and you'll see the notifications once you have upgraded your plan. Now, to add the tracking page to your store, all you'll need to do, once on this page right here, you're going to simply tap on the three dots here and we're going to tap on edit URL. After you have tapped on edit URL, what I want you to do is I want you to copy this page. So we're going to copy the page real quick. So let's do that. So I'm going to tap on save right there. Then I'm going to tap on view and I'm going to copy the page URL right here. After I've copied the page URL, all I'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option and we're going to tap on online store. After selecting online store, you're going to tap on navigation. Then from there, you're going to tap on main menu if you would like to add it to your main navigation menu. Then you're going to tap on add menu item. After you have done that, you can type in, for example, track your order. So you can type in the page name. Then you're going to tap on search or paste a link. After you have done that, you can paste in the URL that you have copied. Then you can tap on it and you're going to tap on add in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can drag up the page and you can see right there. Then we'll tap on save menu. After you have tapped on save menu, if you were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on view your online store, you'll realize that the tracking page is now added. So let me refresh the page real quick. I'm going to go back right here and I'll simply drag it up and I'm going to tap on save. Then I'll tap on view your online store and you can see the page right there. Now, if we were to tap on it, you can see that we are redirected to the track order page and you can see a sample of how it looks. So our customers will now be able to paste in their tracking number right there, or they can add in their order number and email address. Then they'll tap on track your order. Once they have done that, they can scroll down and they'll be able to see where their package is and all of the shipping details, as you can see right here. So not only do they get a step-by-step shipping detail, but they are also given a current location map right there. So you can see it there, you can see the carrier, and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe